that I have not tried. So let's get into it. Oops. What the? Yeah. Oh, press enter. So guys, I do not know what is happening. I'm just gonna go up to these. Oh, is it like free for all? I think that's ours. I think we have to get the other one. Oh yeah, that makes so much more sense. Well, what is, I don't get it though. Whoa, hello, it's me. Dang it, I don't get this. I don't get it. Are they supposed to be going at each other? Guys, leave in the comments if you know what is happening, because I do not know. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That's a machine. That's a machine. That's a machine. That's a machine. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, damage. I need to upgrade that. Okay, that's on. Nope. Oh, body damage. I can just run into people. That's funny. Maybe upgrade that after penetration and bullet speed and see what happens. Oh my god. Oh no, I'm not gonna do body damage because I am going to be using it for max health because I'm going to need some health right now. Machine gun! Yeah! Wait, what? It's destroyed red. Wait, what? Blue has destroyed red. Area closed. No players joined. That can happen. No! Dang it! I don't understand, guys. I really don't. What do they mean by that? Oh, wait. Are we supposed to destroy the other teams? Okay, I'm red team. And I think we're supposed to destroy the other team. I'm not perfectly sure, but I think. Woo! There we go. Just get some of that. Upgrade bullet damage. Okay, coming up here. I didn't kill this person. I know I can't. I can kill this person. I know I can. No, I can't. 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 Backing up. Backing up. I can't believe he just just. Oh yeah, it's my turn. Machine gun. Sup? No, you're gonna die. 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 Oh my gosh, just die. For real, just literally just die. No, please, 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 just stop. Just stop right there. Just stop, please. No, you. Did you see how far that went? That little tiny one. It's just too far. Like, I didn't like it, but it was just far. Get out. Yes. 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 Dang it, you took it. Keep on going. Wait, Blue's is all the way over here? Well, I'm done. Bullet damage. Ah! Oh. Dang it, where is... Oh, that made more sense too. Because this is controlling the... that makes so much more sense. Kill me. That's my name. Kill me. No. Dang it. Okay, I'm back. Jeez. Okay, let's just hang out over here. Don't mind me. Just hang out. Just yeah, it's mine. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Bullet damage. Yes. Yes. No! No, 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 no. Guys. Oh my god. Dang it.
Stop it.
Huh?
Stop it.
Okay. Sorry, you guys. That was my mom. I do not know what I typed, guys. I really don't know. Whoa. Who am I? Hey, I'm attacking. Oh, this is cool. Yeah. Yay. I'm so huge. Hey, Mom.
Hey.
You die. Die. This is so hard. How are they not dying? I think they're in... What? Well, guys, that's gonna be it for today. I can't believe I died so many times. At least I know how to play. I just tried to destroy the other one, I think. Yeah. Leave a like if you liked the video and see if I want to do more. Leave a comment and see what game should I play next. And subscribe if you're new and share. Peace.